Hinimay din sa pagdinig ng Committee on Suffrage and Electoral Reforms ang usapin ng block grant kung saan parte ang sulod dito at kung saan kukunin ang pondo para sa lalawigan kasunod ng final at immediately executory na desisyon ng Korte Suprema matapos ibasura ang lahat ng motions for partial reconsideration na inihain ng Bangsamoro Government, Office of the Solicitor General at iba pang individual o grupo kaugnay sa naunang desisyon nito na hindi na kabilang ang lalawigan sa rehiyon.
Alam natin from the very beginning, ang province of Sulu ay part ng core territory ng Bangsamoro Autonomous Region, di ba? So ibig sabihin pag core territory, even during negotiation, budget deliberation, or even during debates and discussion ng Bangsamoro Organic Law na consider ho ang province of Sulu ay part talaga ng Bangsamoro Autonomous Region. But anyway, Mr. Chair, Your Honor, ang problem dito yung 9 to 10 billion. Kanina ho ni-raise namin yung issue, baka narinig nyo. Kung halimbawa legally possible at ang way lang talaga sa transition ay kumuha muna sa block grant ng 9 to 10 billion or kung ano yung naka-allocate ho sa Bangsamoro government for 2025 para lang magiging legal ilagay as transitory provision yung provision na kukunin muna sa block grant yung 9 to 10 billion, ano ho yung magiging position ng farm government lalong-lalo na ho ang ating Chief Minister?
Thank you. At the side of the meeting with the President, nagkaroon ng pag-usap doon yung tungkol sa block grant. Tinanong namin whether it is possible na we can slice some portion of the I will give to Attorney Lai kasi siya mismo yung nakarinig no. Please, Lai. With your permission.
Thank you, Honorable Hataman. I would just like to share na during the meeting with the President, the President was under the impression that the budget for Sulu can be called out of the annual block grant. However, we corrected it po at kinlarify lang po namin kay President na ang block grant is automatically released regardless of it and it is not based on the territory. So kung kahit wala po ang Sulu, the amount of the block grant would still be the same and would attribute to the entire Bangsamoro region po. So na-acknowledge naman nila yon yung konsepto na ganun, and I think you are correct, Sir, Your Honor, na magiging complicated kung saan po makukuha yung budget for Sulu. I think it would also be important that we consult the cabinet about it. At tama po yung sinabi ni Honorable Hataman na factor in po doon sa budget ng PTA ang Sulu for 2025. So meron po talagang nakalaan para sa Sulu because we were not expecting the Supreme Court to resolve the motions this quickly. But in the meantime, I think the cabinet has to meet and discuss this po. If we will be allowed time to discuss this at the cabinet level. Thank you very much.